Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookie dough. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a medium bowl until they are well combined. This step ensures even distribution of leavening and seasoning throughout your delicious cookies. Next, in a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Beat this mixture with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. This aeration is key for tender, chewy cookies. Now beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, fold in 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent spreading and deepens the flavors. When ready, drop rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden. Remember to check the description for a link to the Choc AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.